Okay, so after getting our 30 degree, so what do we need to do? You know here is 30 degree, both sides is 30 degree. So what do we need to know? We start projecting. Okay, so we've gotten this side which they gave us as what? 50, which we've measured from here to here as 50. That's 5 centimeters. And the other part which they gave us as, they didn't actually give us, but they, if you, it is hidden, but the dimensions are still there. You see the part that is done. I'm talking of this part. We're trying to sum up all the measurement there to get the length, the total length. So you see the part they measured 15, the other part 10, the other part 10. So 20 plus 15, that's 35. So we'll be measuring 35 here, 35, which is still 3.5. Okay. So since we measured with pick our point, what do? We start projecting upward. Okay. I align this together. Then I put my point. The purpose of this is just to slide on this. So we slide it up. Slide. Okay. We slide up. Just project it upward. Have any distance, any length for now. Project upward. Okay. So we've done that. So if you look at it closely, they gave a measurement from here to here on that picture there, on that diagram there, which is 10, and the space in between is 30 and 10. So we'll be giving those scales on this. So this is 10, we measure at 10, then 10 from this other side. Yeah, here and here. So what do we do next? We project upwards, same way. Just align this one, keep it in alignment with the baseline, then slide this 90 degree on it, 90 degree, slide, project upward, project upward. This is my faint line, so it can be drawn in any length. Okay, it can be drawn in any length. So now, what is our distance from this point to that place that went like this? On the diagram, it is given as 10. So what do? We measure the height of that base, that under, which is 10. So now, instead of still measuring here 10, I just place this here and slide this to it. So automatically from here to here is also 10. So what do we do next? We check the height from here to that part here, which they gave us 20 in that picture. So we use our measure scale rule, point at 20. What do? The same way, you just align this and project from that point, this point, like so. All these are faint line, remember. So we've gotten this part. So when next do we need? We notice that it went this way also. So what do? We turn it the other way, the opposite direction. Like it's just like we mirror it. We mirror this thing as it's facing here. You just mirror it here to any length. Okay. So that being done, what next? We notice in the diagram that a block is sitting at the middle, like a pillar. So how do we do this now? How do we go about it? And we saw that the thickness of the block is 10. So since it is 10, we just come here, right? And here giving us 5. Half of 5 is what? 2.5. So we mark that half first. So after marking that half, what do? We take, so they gave us here as 10. So what do? We take here 5 and we take this other way 5. So doing that, we put the point here from that middle line, measure 5 here, measure 5 the opposite direction. So we've gotten that part. So what do? We project upward likewise. So the way to go about that, just same thing, put it here, then set this and you project upward. Follow me as I'm doing it and you get it. You can pause the video to practice it. If you are not as fast as this, you can pause the video or play it back. You understand? So we continue. So if you are to check, they gave the height from here to somewhere around here, the height of the block. So what was given? I think it's 40. It's 40 that is written there. So what do? We come here now. We've gotten this part. We pause. You come here. Get your 40. Okay. It's just like building a block. After you do a part, you shift to another part, so that part will dry. Something like that. But that's just why we did. Why we stopped here is because we saw that we can't just continue to proceed like that. We have to create other side so as to grow together. You get? So what do we do next? we project this upward in 30-degree way. So project it there. So project it to any length. We don't know where it will join. So what do we do next? We still project this our line. This one. We project it upward. Okay. Project this one upward. Okay. So from here now, we've gotten here. So what do? I just want to join these two parts to create the block first before we start removing all those parts that was cut off. So we are just creating the block first. So I come here, and from this point, I join to this point, doing the same thing, join to this point, and to raise this up, and do this also, project upward. It didn't touch, so I can go there and extend the line. Okay, so that being done, we've seen a part of the block. So what do we do next? We start using the dimension they give us to break all those parts off. So how do we do that? If you check from here to here, they give it as 10, from here to here 10, and the remaining part is 30. So you just continue. You get your 10 here, you measure it, which is 10. You come to this part, you measure it 10, just 1 centimeters. That's the 10 I'm calling. The 10 is for millimeters, then 1 centimeters you get on your ruler, depending on the scale rule you're using. Okay, then what next? We try to project it down how you see in the picture. We are just trying to duplicate this picture using isometric way. So we come here, or I'll be using my bigger set square and put it here, so as for easy movement. So I come here, I just project. Follow me as I'm doing it and you'll get me. So here, the distance on that picture is 10. So just come, use your scale rule, your ruler, see it's 10, use 1 centimeters, which is 10 millimeters, you put it here. Okay, and you do the same thing here, you put it here. Then do what? You join. So we are to join these 2 points. Okay, so I'm joining it. I've joined it. Okay, so what next? The distance between here to that part in the picture, because you saw there was a part that went inside like this. So what is the measurement? What measurement they give for that part? It will be 20, because from here to here is 10, and if you see, the thickness of that other part is 10. So they measured it there, which is 20. So we just come here with our ruler, put mark 20, come this other side, mark 20, and then we join using our faint rule. All these red lines are faint lines. Okay, so take note. Then what do we do? This part we've marked here, what are we to do? We have to project it to meet this. So there's no need doing much measurement, just come here. We've done that already. Come here, let it slide to this point where it meets. We join, extend it, go, slide again, we join. Okay, so we've done that. Now we've represented it. So now we are done. We're not actually done, because this part is here. So let me do it at once. Come here, I project. Okay, so now we have to do it the 90-degree way. Now we are doing the vertical lines. So how do I do the vertical lines? I just come back here, alignment. Before I use this down part to align, but now I'm using the up to align. Okay, so now I place this. So what do? I use this and come here just to be slanting this thing and be joining all the points. You get? So if you come here, there was a part that joined this side, so I take it to that point, I join. Okay, there's a part that went down from that picture, so I just extend it to any length verse. As you can see, just extend it. Okay, then here I extend it too, and it's touching this point from the picture, you see. Okay, so what next? What are we not seeing? Is this, okay, this side, project downwards like so. So what are we doing now is to join this part to this side, and this side to this side. Okay, and this side to this side. That's just it. So you just place your and still glide through. This one will make your work easy. I hope you learn it and follow me as I'm doing it, and also subscribe for more, because there will be more updates and more shortcuts to all this to make your work faster, to increase your speed, and everything you need. Okay, so I'll be joining this part too. Okay, I know by now there are much lines and we will be confused, but let me start to shade my work so as for you not to be confused. Okay, so I'll be drawing this. Let me try to tick it. Okay, so here, the part that will be seen, start shading. So I'm just showing the parts that will be seen from the diagram since we are trying to duplicate this stuff. We're trying to duplicate it, okay? There's another part you see, which is this, which is this, which is this, which is this. Okay, so this is what you'll be seeing, but there's something missing, which is here and the one that went inside here. So let me do that quickly and bring this together. Sorry. Then project this one inside. So automatically we've done this diagram and we've represented it rightly with the measurement and everything. So I would advise you watch out for my next video. Thank you and God bless you.